All right, how you doing today, folks? Today we're going to take a look at how to make money making YouTube thumbnails for YouTube content creators. Um, as always, though, but first, take a look at my number one recommendation for a solid affiliate marketing education, web hosting, support, and so much more. 2 free websites. Use the link in the description below. Also, a free membership. There's no credit card needed, so you don't need to worry about any of that nonsense. And it's a great way to start an online business and get rolling with that. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification button as well to be notified of new videos. And let us begin. So here we are on Fiverr.com. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, it's a place where you can list gigs that you're offering for people. And this is a YouTube thumbnail creation. Let's take a look at some of these. Basically, what you do is set up an account, and you have your this guy's offering like $10 per order, and then there's different. Well, this guy only has like I guess the one offer for $10. Usually they have different offers, but you see, $10 for this one. Oh yeah, source file extra $5, $12 delivery, another $5. So you can get it up there pretty good. There's some examples of what he did, what he does. Let's check out another one. So here we go, 2 thumbnails, $5, format unlimited revisions. So you can make your own kind of thing. You kind of have to build up your own reputation on here. There's a $20 premium package, 10 thumbnails, whatever, $10. So, I mean, a lot of YouTubers, I mean, I make my own thumbnails, but some of them, it's just easier for them to pass it on to someone else, and, it's outsourcing their thumbnail creation. So this is something you can sign up for, and as far as, making them, you can use Adobe Photoshop or this free alternative here, Phopia or Photopia, I don't know how you pronounce that, but whatever. And obviously if you're making some more money, you can do the Photoshop here. I use Canva for mine. Canva's free. There's a paid version as well. I actually have been testing out the paid version. Here's something I made on Canva. It's real quick. You just take these little block, like that's text there, some graphics. You can upload your own photos and such. Very easy to change colors and things. So pretty cool. This is what I use most of the time. And then you can just do a Google search for, YouTube thumbnail maker. There's a bunch of other ones you could find. Some of them are free, some are paid for. These are just ones I came up with real quick. Adobe Spark. So anyways, really cool. A really quick idea to get some money, extra money for you online. Obviously, you're not going to become super rich doing this, but it's a quick gig. You can make some decent cash if you connect with the right YouTubers, or they have doing lots of videos, or just, whatever, just keep it up. So anyways, that's all for today. Also, check out the link in the video description below, and I'll put the links to this different software in there as well, the websites I'm showing you here. So, like I said, that's all for now. Talk to you soon.